In this video, I'd like to quickly share what I learned from using lithium polymer or lithium-ion batteries with an Arduino ESP32 board in just a few minutes. The original goal was to replace a bulky, heavy USB battery bank with a lighter, smaller single-cell lithium-ion battery for use inside a sippy cup sonar buoy. A single-cell lithium battery is 4.2 volts fully charged and nominally 3.7. With this in mind, I connected it to the VIN rail. The VIN rail passes the input through a voltage regulator, the AMS3117, which steps down the battery to the steady 3.3 volts the board runs on, at least in theory. Since even a full charge at 4.2 was well under the 12 volt maximum input, I figured no problem, I'll just plug the battery straight in. And for the most part, it worked perfectly fine. Except for one thing, and that was my battery level reading, which was completely wrong. My voltage divider module was showing the battery as always dead. The first thing I learned was over-discharging a lithium cell is bad for the long-term health, so I wanted to keep an eye on the battery level using a voltage dividing circuit. It scales the battery voltage down to something the ADC pin can safely read. Despite my multimeters showing 3.67, the module was reading 2.8. The issue was that the code computes the battery voltage using the 3.3 volt rail as a reference, and internally the board wasn't actually producing 3.3 volts. I measured closer to 3.8, 3.84 on the rail, so what was going on? And it comes down to a spec I didn't even think about, called the dropout voltage. The AMS3117 regulator needs at least 1.2 volts of headroom between its input and output to regulate it properly. That means to hold a steady 3.3 volt output, it needs a minimum of 4.5 volts coming in. Even a fully charged single-cell lithium battery at 4.2 volts falls just short of that, so the regulator never gains full control of the output and just passes through a noisy version of whatever the battery is giving it. The fix I found to get a steady 3.3 volts was to use a boost converter module. There are plenty to choose from, but the idea is simple. It takes a varying voltage from a discharging battery and steps it up to a stable 5 volt output that gives the onboard regulator the headroom it needs to do its job. The trade-off is of course there's one extra component and a small efficiency loss, but the payoff is real. With the battery connected through the booster, I'm measuring a steady 5 volts coming out the other end. And when I plug the ESP32 in and now check the 3.3 volt rail, I'm seeing a steady 3.29, which is pretty spot on. Checking the battery voltage, I'm measuring around 3.9, 3.91 volts, which is what we'll check now for our voltage module. And now with the steady regulator, we can see that our ADC is actually able to properly read the battery voltage, measuring around the 3.89 volts that we would expect, helping us keep an eye on our lithium battery. So to summarize the two quick tips I learned, first was I need to monitor my battery voltage so I don't accidentally over-discharge the cell. And second, if I'm running a single cell lithium battery and need a solid ADC reference on the 3.3 volt rail, I'll want to use a boost converter to give the onboard regulator the headroom it needs to regulate properly.